Today at Connect Mobile Solutions here in Belfast, I have been fitting front and back dash cam to this E-Class 2016 Mercedes. Lovely car. Been fitting the new Thinkware Q800 Pro 2 channel, which is a 2K dash cam. The picture quality is pretty damn good on this. That's a view of the dash cam here on the inside. Give you a view of the back one. From the inside, right little wire showing. And on the outside, don't even know if you can actually see it with the camera there. Give you another look at the front one. And the look from the inside. Pretty neat and tidy job, if I do say so. If this is something that you would like, give us a shout. Connect Mobile Solutions.